Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening a summer box at the well. Let's open it. Look at it, guys. Look at all these LOLs. I love it. Got the first thing. I can't get it open. Look at this! Wow! Oh my god! Look at this! Look at this, guys! It's so cool! Let's look for the next thing! Okay. The final one. Oh. It's a big snake. What is this? Wow, a ring toss. I love ring tosses. Look at these ring tosses. Wow, they're so cool. Even this one. Wow, that's cool. Ooh. Okay, let's see what's next in the box. Find something. Yeah. Whoa! Looks like a keychain or something. Let's see what it is. What is this? It's something that I can put on my bag. That's cool. Into luggage. Got one. See what this is. Oh, I got clips for my hair. Look how beautiful they are. So beautiful. I love them. I'm gonna maybe wear these today. Let's see the next one. There's a really big one next to you. Let's see what this is. Wait. We can make popsicles. We can make popsicles. I don't know what this is. A popsicle tray. Look at it. And then we have the stuff in the back. Whoa, that's cool. I think I'm going to open the charm. The charm is the best thing. Whoa, is that a charm? Look at it. Little mini person. It's something you can put on your book bag. This is the last thing. Look what it is. You can color this. Whoa, look at it. Look at this and then color it. Tie-dye. Looks so cool. Wow. This stuff is so cool. Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs